Have you ever been frustrated watching videos on social media, wanting to know the name of a song, but no one tells you the name? Well, not anymore. This simple, free method will solve that problem for good. Let's find that song in seconds. Start off by going to Google and clicking on the Chrome Web Store. Type Shazam in the search bar and add it to Chrome. Select Add Extensions when the pop-up bar pops up for you. Now click on your Extensions tab and pin Shazam to your home extensions. Let's test it out now by going to YouTube to show you how it works. Once the video starts playing, just click on the Shazam icon at the top and just wait and let it do its thing. Boom! Just like that, you now know how to find the name of the song for whatever reason you was wanting to know its name. People are always asking this question under my videos and so many other editors' videos, so I wanted to make this to help everyone out once and for all. If this helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button.